Registering your Amazon account to sell in the UAE is a fast and easy process that should only take a few minutes of your time. Today, what we're going to look at is how to register on Amazon.ae, how to go through identity verification, and for this, you'll need a passport or driver's license, as well as a bank or credit card statement. The first step is to go into your Amazon Seller Central account, click on this left drop-down window, and go into Inventory, Sell Globally. This will launch the Sell Globally page. From here, click Middle East and North Africa, where you'll see two options, to register or to link an existing account. Most people will want to hit Register Now to create a new UAE account. However, if you had already created an existing UAE account, you also have the option to link it here. Again, most of you will want to hit Register Now if you've never created a UAE selling account. After hitting Register Now, you will be taken into a page where you can set up your Amazon selling account. The first drop-down menu is to choose what type of business you have. The second is to input your legal business name. Keep in mind the legal business name needs to match the record on your bank account statement or your credit card statement. Hit Agree and Continue. From here, enter your registered business address and choose your unique business display name. You'll also need to enter in a phone number, which you can receive a text on in order to verify your phone number. Hit Save and Continue. At this point, you'll see if you are eligible for Easy Ship based on the address you provided. If you are, you can input information to set that up here. If not, hit Save and Continue. For payment information, input your credit card as well as the credit card holder's name, which matches the bank account information you'll be providing at a later step. Keep in mind the UAE currently does not accept American Express, so please use another card company other than American Express. Hit Save to continue. You have the option to tell us about your products now, or you can skip. If you want to get ahead, you can start this now. You can tell us if you have barcodes. You can decide also how you'd like to list your products, whether that be a product inventory file of your own, or an Amazon template, or if you want to list products one by one. You can choose the category, hit Finish, at which point you'll be taken into the identity verification menu. For identity verification, you'll need to choose either a passport or a driver's license as the document. Input that document's corresponding information and hit Submit. You'll also need to upload the actual document itself. When you're uploading the document, make sure that it all fits in one photo. For example, if you have a driver's license, you'll want to put both the driver's license front picture as well as a driver's license back picture in a single photo, then hit Continue. You'll need to choose either a bank account statement or a credit card statement. Make sure the document you upload corresponds with your choice here, and upload as follows. For uploads, you'll have several different file formats you can choose. I always recommend using PDF, but you also have the option to upload image files. At this point, hit Continue, and you will see that we are processing your information. This can sometimes take up to 60 seconds. At this point, you are registered, and we may get back to you within 2 days if we need more information to confirm your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please send a note to the email address here. We also have additional videos down below in the description if you need help with anything else. Thank you.